If you want to understand who's linking to your website, what your backlink profile looks like, or how your competitors are building authority, SEOptimer's backlink research tool helps you turn all that data into something you can actually use. In this video, I'll show you how to navigate the tool, break down the results, and how to use that data to uncover actionable SEO opportunities. Once you're inside SEOptimer, head to the left-hand menu and open Backlink Research. From here, you can run backlink research on any domain or URL, whether you're checking your own site or a client's site or a competitor. The first tab is the Overview tab, and this gives you a high-level summary of the most important backlink metrics. You will see core metrics such as referring domains, backlinks, domain strength, and page strength, plus some secondary metrics like IPs and subnets. Domain strength looks at the strength of the overall domain's backlink profile, while page strength is focused on the specific page you're analyzing. Both are scored from 0 to 100. Let's go to the Backlinks tab, and this is where you can review the individual links pointing to the site or page you're analyzing. For each backlink, you can see a few key details. Domain strength shows the overall authority of the linking domain. Page strength shows the authority of the specific page linking to you. Referring page is the page where the link appears, and target page is the page on your site that it points to. You can also see the anchor text being used, whether the link is do follow or no follow, and when SEOptimer first found and last crawled that link. You can also sort it by first seen, domain strength, or page strength, which makes it easier to spot stronger links or newer ones quickly. This is useful if you want to look at the quality of links coming in, spot patterns in anchor text, or understand what kind of backlinks a competitor is getting. And if you're working with clients, this can also help you judge whether a link building campaign is actually bringing in the right type of links, especially the do follow links. This tool also includes a text backlinks metric, which counts text-based links separately from naked URL links. The Referring Domains tab shows you which sites those backlinks are coming from. This matters because referring domains usually carry more weight than the total number of backlinks. If one site links to you 100 times, that is not the same as getting links from 100 different sites. So what you really want is a healthy spread of links from a range of referring domains, since a more diverse backlink profile is generally a stronger signal to Google. In here, you could see the referring domains along with domain strength, backlink count, do follow count, and first seen. There's also a from homepage check, which shows links coming from homepages. Those can carry more weight than links from deeper subpages. You can also sort it by first seen or domain strength. The Top Pages tab shows which pages on the site have attracted the most backlinks and referring domains. In other words, it helps you see which pages are pulling the most link value. You can switch between backlinks and referring domains depending on how you want to look at it. This is really handy if you're trying to figure out what type of content is earning links or which pages on a competitor site are naturally attracting the most authority. The Anchors tab shows the anchor text other websites are using when they link back to the site. Anchor text matters because it helps signal to Google what the link page is about and what keywords it may be relevant for. You can also switch between backlinks and referring domains depending on whether you want to see the total link count or the total number of domains using that anchor text. This is extremely useful for spotting whether the anchor profile looks natural, whether branded anchors are showing up, or whether certain keywords anchors are being overused. The TLDs tab shows the top-level domains linking to the site, so things like .com, .org, or country-specific domains. This is especially useful if you care about regional relevance or you're trying to build links from sites in a specific market. So, for example, if you're trying to grow visibility in a particular country, this gives you a quick sense of whether your backlink profile is actually aligned with that region. And finally, the Countries tab shows where those links are coming from geographically. Similar to the TLDs view, this helps you understand whether your backlinks are concentrated in the right markets or whether there are regions where you might want to build more visibility. So in practical terms, you can use SEOptimer's backlink research tool to review your own backlink profile, check a client's link health, compare competitors, and find patterns in what kind of pages and links are driving authority. It is extremely useful if you're trying to reverse engineer competitor link building strategies, especially when you look at their backlinks, referring domains, top pages, and anchors all together. Now you know how to use SEOptimer's backlink research tool. It gives you a solid way to understand who's linking to a site, which pages are attracting authority, and how a backlink profile is shaped overall. If you want to start analyzing your own website or check out what competitors are doing, you can jump into the tool inside SEOptimer now. And if you want to keep exploring the rest of the SEO workflow, check out our other product walkthroughs on the channel as well. Don't forget to follow us on social media and subscribe to our channel for our latest SEO tips, industry news, and product updates. See you in the next one.